What a dream. I've obviously driven the General Lee before, but I was on track. But to drive a 70 Charger on the roads of Warwickshire, just amazing. As we go inside, we've got the iconic air freshener. Looking like a movie chase straight out of the 70s. We've got the Charger, we've got my mate's Beetle behind, parking up underneath the C&M logo. So we checked into our hotel for the evening. This is the Charlotte Pheasant. We've stayed here before, and yeah, I really love the rooms, especially these smaller cottage rooms here. But a fantastic day, fantastic afternoon, and yeah, getting to drive the Charger, one of my dream cars. Obviously, driven the General Lee, but I was on track. But to be able to drive a Charger on the road, fantastic. And although it's a massive car, it doesn't feel that big on the inside, at least to me. But yeah, we're going to have something to eat, get some rest, and then tomorrow is Hypercar Day at Caffeine Machine, which I can't wait for, with the Gumball 3000, and hopefully the Charger should be making another appearance. So yeah, massive thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.